How to install the Metamask crypto wallet on Chrome. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now what you want to do is here here you want to just type in MetaMask and you should see the website metamask.io. If you click on there, you should see all of this. You want to go to download, and here you can download it for anything you want. But we're going to install it for Chrome. So just click on install MetaMask for Chrome. This will bring you over to this page. And here you want to simply add it to Chrome. It's super easy. Click on add extension. And we now have it installed on Chrome. As you can see right there, it says get started. But before we get started, first of all, I recommend clicking on this sort of puzzle icon and pin MetaMask right there. So now we have MetaMask pinned in this sort of like bar, so it's easier for us to find it again. And then just click on get started. Here you can either import a wallet or set up one. So if we click on create a wallet and then I agree, you can enter or create a password, and then you'll get a like weird phrase that you want to like save somewhere anytime. So you can just fill it in once you have to, because that is sort of like your security for your account. So you want to make sure to save that. But I already have a wallet, so I'm just going to click on import wallet, then agree. And here I have to fill in that secret recovery phrase. So I'm going to do that real quick. And now that I've put in this recovery phrase, I'm just going to log into my account. So just fill in my password real quick, then click on import. It says congratulations, click on all done, and you can read all of this if you want to. But yeah, here's your MetaMask account or wallet, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.